Hello everybody, I just want to make a quick announcement to let you guys know what's going on. That why it took me a while to upload the Keris II unboxing video. So just to let you guys know, you're having this issue. If you see that on wired mode that you cannot go up to 8,000 hertz, it's not the issue with the mouse, because I was having the same issue as well. I even contacted ASUS tech support to see if they could help me sort it. They couldn't figure out, and it was funny because I thought maybe they would say, oh, how you had it set up, and they didn't even bother me to ask me the way how I set up the mouse, which I saw a lot of YouTubers who reviewed this mouse or set up this mouse saw that some of them will have the polling rate booster here and then the wireless receiver, so it looked like a goddamn penis extender. So if you want to make your Keris II work at 8K at wire mode, just make sure that you plug in the polling rate booster into the motherboard first, then plug it in with the mouse cable from the USB Type A to USB Type C, then plug it into your USB adapter and then the wireless receiver, and you can run at 8K, 4K, or 2K on wired mode while you're charging this mouse. And also still, yes, you could go 4K in wireless mode once your mouse is ready to go. What do I think about this mouse so far? I freaking love it. I am going to do a review, so I just want to continue having fun, enjoying using this mouse. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. One last thing I did want to add. I'm surprised that even in the instructions on the user manual or the quick start guide will tell you this is the way you need to set it up. But it just tells you how to set up without the software, how to set up the polling rate and all that stuff. But that's it. I'm gonna leave right there. I don't want to continue and extend this video. So enjoy the unboxing video. I am signing off. Goodbye. So this is it, the last video of the ASUS ROG line. So this is the ASUS ROG Keris II Ace. This is a smaller ergo that came out. It is expensive, and it goes 2.4 wireless and Bluetooth, and polling rate on wireless mode can go to 4,000, wide mode up to 8,000. I wanted to go back with ergo, but I want to go something a little bit small. So let's see what's inside the packaging itself. The mouse itself, and let's see what else it comes with in the box. Ooh. So it comes with a USB adapter, USB Type A to USB Type C. Comes with this little clip that you can put on the mouse pad. This is the booster for the mouse itself that can go to 4,000 hertz. And comes with USB Type A to USB Type C. Throwing these books in the mid. Once it comes with the mouse itself. Now this feels really good in my hands, really comfortable. I can palm it for my hand size. Let's do a quick sound test. Now before we start the sound test, the left click and right click uses the ASUS ROG optical switches. So we're gonna hear it for the first time. And the scroll wheel does light up. Also, you can change whatever color you want, or you can also, wait a minute, I had a little bit of brain fart, I do apologize right there. The scroll wheel can also tell you what stage of DPI you're in as well, and also gives you an indication when your battery is about to die. So at the bottom of the mouse, you have the storage to store your wireless receiver, And you have the ups. When you hit it up, it goes Bluetooth. When you go down, it goes to 2.4. Middle shuts it off. So this is how the mouse is. I know it comes with more stuff in the box, and I'm gonna have to look what else it comes with. Nope, it's not here. Ooh, okay. Knew they had something in here. I had to double check and verified. So it comes with ASUS stickers. Also comes with side grips as well. And these side grips are really, really good. Way more for a gripper than it comes with the final mouse. I said creeper, but I'm saying grippier. Ooh, and it comes with extra mouse feet. So if you don't like these small mouse feet, you could switch it up to the big ones, but I think the small ones will be perfectly fine. I keep this as a backup. So I'm gonna stop the video right here, set everything up, show you guys how it looks when it lights up. Stand by, please. So I got the mouse set up, ready to go update the firmware. This mouse feels really, really comfortable. I love the shape. I'm happy I went back with an herbal shape, and it glides really smooth with this mouse pad. You could change the RGB. I have mine set up like a battery indicator. Like if blue, it's at medium. When it gets red, it starts flashing. And you do have to use a booster dongle right here in order to let you use 4K on wireless. On wide mode, you could set up to 8,000 hertz, which I will try that as well. So till then, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, comment, subscribe, please be safe. I am signing off. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Goodbye.